is so perfect. Smile on my face, got a fat blunt burning. Bills are paid, cold glass of lemonade. Dimes hitting up my phone, I need a quick one, urgent. It just feels like one of those days. Nothing could go wrong, I'm young and unpaid. Working 9 to 5 every day, I'm a slave. But today it's 6 packs and L's of haze. A little bit of liquor, chilling in the pad. Talking about labels and chips we would have. Staying on some new shit, and we all got love for the music. It's that feel of hip-hop, getting in me to rock it. Music to my ears, yeah, clearing my conscience. Keep my head high, never listen to gossip. Wake up in the morning with my hand in my boxes. Happy that I'm here and I'm repping the mobsters. Give us 2 years, we got this. I'm just giving you me, much more than rapping. My soul in the mic, my life, my passion. Shit, no lights, camera, action. I got a dope rhyme, J-Mag is matching. Headphones on me when I lay in the casket. Music's my soul, old school, old fashioned.